Hello everyone, Crafer here, and in this video, I will be telling you how you can publish your projects uh, by creating a shareable link. So, like if you want to make your project uh, very founder project, like if we type www.youtube.com, it shows up. But to make that, it requires a host, and that is expensive. But if I just want to share it to your family or friends or close people, you can use some mini host types which are like GitHub or something else. So GitHub, we're going to be using GitHub. So GitHub is owned by Microsoft, so it's a very trusty website. So what we are going to do is go to www.github.com. So if you go to GitHub, like you can just search GitHub, it will come automatically, and you click on the first link. I'll give the link down in the description. So go to GitHub and first you need to create your account. So I will create it, and then so I created so I sign it into my account. So you will come on this page. So what you want to do is we create repositories for our project. So we are going to be clicking on new, or what you can do is click over here and new repository. So what you can do is click on new, and here is the name of the owner, that is me, and repository name is, you can put the repository so other people can see. A repository. Then you can give description. This is made for a video. Then if you want to make it private, so you can't create a link if you make it private, but if you want to create a link, you have to make it public. So we'll be making it public and creating repository. So you will come on this page. So to upload the files you have created on Visual Studio, you need to click on this. But if you want to create a new file, you can click on this and it will open the inbuilt GitHub code editor. But we don't want that, so we're going to go in here and uploading an existing file. So here it came. Now I can choose my files. Now I can just go to desktop and Visual Studio. Now what I can do is open the input one, open it. And I can take both of it and open. So it will upload these both files. Then we can click on commit changes. It will just make it come here, and what we can do is now go to settings. So here are different settings of the thing. If you want to change the visibility, you can change it here, and transfer ownership, you want to make owner to something else. Archive repository and read only can make, you can delete it here, but we want to create the link, so we will go here to pages. Here you will come here. So in the source, you need to change the none to main, and you don't need to change this, it should be root only. Then you can click on save. Then the link came here, crafer/58.github.io/video repository. So if you open it in new tab, it takes time to load if you're making it first time. So the time depends on how big your repository is. So it's a very small repository, but if you can make it, it takes time. So like big repositories take like 30 to 40 minutes. So I'm going to skip it to the part where it loads up, and yeah, it loads up. So if it sometimes, you can like just refresh, like opening it first, and you can just refresh. If it shows the error, and just refresh, so it comes up. So I refresh it and it came for me, so it didn't take me any time. So it works all fine. I write my name here, it came here. So I can like copy the link, paste it over here, came here. So yeah, this is how you can create your own repositories and make it public. So this is how I created the link of the previous video, Untitled Code. So yeah. So guys, we're so close to 50 subscribers, so please hit subscribe button, like the video if you liked it, share so more people can know how they can create their own URL for the website, comment if you're getting an error, and see ya.